But God said that He got you, and this is the time of rest. Don't take it lightly that He has given you this time to refresh and to be restored. Don't use it as a time to sin, but a time to truly be prayerful. God said that He has a new assignments for some of you, and it's time to begin to journal them out so that you can't say, oh Lord, I forgot. But the Lord said He has a new assignments. And He's given you clarity of mind and heart with those new assignments. And so, Father, I just release your peace. And some of you out there, you even feel like you have been forsaken, but God hasn't forsaken you. He's building character.